In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and update your business address on Booksy Biz Web. Whether you're moving to a new location or simply updating your details, this guide will ensure that your clients can always find you with ease. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to Booksy Biz Web. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Booksy Biz. Once you've arrived at the login page, enter your credentials. Make sure your username and password are correct to avoid any login hiccups. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Booksy Biz, where you'll have access to all the tools and settings necessary to manage your account and business. Next, let's head over to the settings. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu. Here, you should click on the option labeled Settings. This section is where you'll find options to customize various aspects of your business account, from managing services and setting up your calendar to updating your business profile. Now, let's open your business profile. Within the settings menu, look for either business profile or sometimes it might be labeled as business information. You'll want to click on this option as it's the gateway to updating all your business's public information. Once you've accessed your business profile, it's time to edit your address. In the section labeled location or address, you'll want to carefully type in your new business address. It's crucial to ensure that every detail is accurate. This means including the street name, number, city, and postal code. Make sure it matches exactly with what's listed on Google Maps. Consistency here is key as it directly affects how easily clients can locate your business when they search online or rely on their GPS. After entering your new address, it's time to save all these changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. There you'll find the Save button. It's always a good practice to double check the information before you save, just to ensure that everything is displayed as intended. Click on Save and that'll lock in your updated address. Finally, we want to ensure that everything looks good from the client's perspective. Head to your public business page on Booksy to review the new information. This final check is essential to confirm that the changes appear correctly and are visible to the public. And that's it! You've now successfully updated your business address on Booksy Biz Web. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your clients always have the most current information at their fingertips. They'll appreciate the seamless experience and you'll enjoy the peace of mind knowing your business is accurately represented online. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful guidance.